Hello there everyone, it's me again with another Eurovision video, and in this video series I'm checking the songs for Eurovision 2021, and this time I'll be checking Serbia's song because they have chosen the song for Eurovision. They're going with same singer group as last year, and yes, last year they were very awesome and they had a good potential song for Eurovision, and for this year I definitely do not doubt about them because I'm sure they have some aggressive song in a good way, but let's just not predict too much or give some theories. We just need to see how the song goes. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So I will go into the reacting. So this is my reaction for Serbia Eurovision 2021. Let's go. Okay, nice. This is already building up so much. Yeah, this is instantly a bop, you know. Yeah, we are going with non-English, so we are singing in Serbian. This is great. So much positivity, so much attitude. And yes, I like such upbeat songs. I like this instrumental part, so powerful, gives it strong feeling. I like how this parts between the refrain sound very great, aggressive. Yeah, this part to refrain, it's really good. Yeah, this definitely will be one of my best songs. I mean, one of my favorite songs from this year Eurovision. Okay, some English words. Yeah, there will be choreography, I guess. I mean, there is this sort of dancing in the video. Yeah, they have this definitely. We have everything. Awesome song, strong vocals, great look, and a lot of choreography, dancing. I think that all this will be also present on the stage. Yeah, this nice vocal ending of the song. Uh, Definitely, this will be a great result for Serbia on Eurovision. I wish that such song would actually win at the song contest because I think that for some long time we have not seen such a Eurovision winner with a strong, fast, rhythmic song. And yes, I would really gladly see this one winning. But sure, qualifier definitely, and a lot of people will like it as well. I think it's just up to juries to see it, but I think that there shouldn't be a problem for that. Definitely, my country will vote for this. We always do. And yes, of course, I wish them good luck. They will serve this more than perfect, I guess. So that was it for my reaction. How about you? What do you think about Serbia Eurovision Song for 2021? Let me know in the comments below, and if you agree or disagree with me. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching, till next time, and goodbye.